Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making sauerkraut mash with bacon, apple and all kind of other goodness. So sorry for all the Germans out there, but sauerkraut just sounds funnier when you say it in your language. Anyhow, let's start. Start by peeling the skins off some floury potatoes. Floury potatoes are key here, they mash beautifully, so pick a variety you really like. Cut them into even-sized pieces and give them a good rinse under cold water to wash off any dirt or excess starch. Add them to a pot and cover with enough water to boil. Now for the sauerkraut. This next step is optional, but I like to rinse the sauerkraut once under cold water. It softens the sharp sourness, which is especially nice if you're cooking for kids or anyone who's still learning to love sauerkraut. Add the sauerkraut straight into the pot with the potatoes and bring everything to a boil. While that cooks, let's work on the bacon mixture. Start by frying your bacon until it's nice and crisp. Meanwhile, chop a red onion into small pieces. Go as big or small as you like. You're the cook here, you get to decide. Peel and core one apple and cut it into small cubes. Add the onion and apple to the pan with the bacon. Now here comes the magic. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. It might sound unusual, but trust me, the flavor is incredible. Once the potatoes are tender, drain them and make sure to save some of the cooking water. We'll use it to adjust the texture of the mash. Mash everything together, the potatoes and the sauerkraut, adding a little cooking water if it feels too dry. Then mix in the warm bacon, apple and onion mixture. And for extra richness and flavor, I love adding 1 or 2 egg yolks. It brings everything together beautifully. Now give it all a final mix. Scoop it into a nice plate and finish with mustard, salt and pepper if you like. And of course, make sure to enjoy every bite. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.